I'm fancy and I'm due for Amponsia and hang out there meeting my two Cassandra Swan say, Brasso say, you didn't come on who say, wow, Kukufu who TV is watching. Okay, Chairman Kukufu and Afe, Chief Biny, Adom TV. Wow. Master for Aquabat saying, Boko, Namiadum. Aisha or Asha?
Asha.
The last time Deputy Minister Ministry by Education.
Pochino.
I see. So new ministry near the works and housing.
Pochino works and housing. Pochomedasi and a pay a quenya was armor. Now my ministry also. Mimde a wardom Miss Papa. Mimda Bacadano Papa.
Medoma Bruta.
Oh,
of course.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Women, dear, my senior sister told me, never take a woman for granted.
That's wonderful.
And I don't take women for I cherish.
Miss
Fortunately, I have 4 beautiful girls.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
They're very beautiful.
You're
just a sick kind of doors with you.
And I pay a quenya was a must read a mum quana made young and freedom. Made your Ghana man, which now His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana to down Kwekufadu. Oman penina or what door? Ozman man. I say, oh, your President, Albert Nankran. No mum President Oboko a pro no question number wash one poem wash in Bremusma and Zama Ruko. It say we turn a man we could pay or ye upper east Bolka the orchestra one on reason como no wash Mubutum Waye or Zamaman. In just some cook of vice na Mankasa Munia, Her Excellency Samira Baumia and second lady, the first lady, Mama Rebecca. Na America says it na mimde igwa manso retain ogwa akoto jujuruba ugu won chan the sa wanye apem kwen apementum won ana ye ogwa adan ama hin say nyimde eye ogwa adan no gwa anya obi
of course
nti ho hin na eba ho it's just so ko Mr. Ahin our year constituency chairman Uncle Lieutenant Penyimfo a wo igwa man nyina medona say Ministry of Works and Housing. Yan manifesto no yasha bo te yeyi me de o man panin zesini nwo do de obey education free perfect excellent since America say so planting for food o Sunday nipazi o wiaza ruko school no de nya bibizi no so ruko do fe na enye dem benizi na school na senye baby a fa utrantwa ana abazin ebeye nti housing was very necessary na mom oya na yen sheda yen fa yenwuma nze echi enka na mo education na I thought education was everything until micro housing omahin America say Ghana you have a deficit of 2 million housing it could even be more housing deficit na say eko nkran say any bir I was a hanewo say eko circle eko biambia na bebia say binyimpa zinitiru ota no kay amotso sam nti ya shabode ye beye nana ado affordable housing na yerka say yenyimde o mani oya amotso de say government kurse bibia se na say ensesa ba oh what day yezi yenwazi adado na chiru na yehwe na yetutu ni ye no ayem pen bebre bi wo ha yenye ejakufo start affordable housing eko botman ebi wo ho menim de oye asokore mampo ni adam affordable housing but they were abandoned inti yan abeni yesi dama abandoned a project ni nyinara no osane your constitution po kire dey say projects government course project bi ase na say nsese bema or there abana obaba no ochedo ntino ye pede ye sesi ni nyina ye ka say house and boko since ya zikiti bi na ye retwan
dia
onini day ye benya guarantee from the Ministry of Finance nanso ye nyimde kasa wa kodo embremosima ya chire ya kasa afa house no ho da yenyimde education quality education no ho hia yenyimde eziban no ho hia na mom so nyimpa enya baby amfa ntira ntwa asuze no oso nsino ye wonyi som de onchire biara em guarantee
but so far we impressed with what the ministry is doing.
So far but I am down there amain first education im da hona eso no every day but I am doing put the young one say so ye local. Honestly, I believe in well, there's nothing wrong with the investors from foreign investors, Baba. But me pede ye hu de Ghana fo. Yanka so say be oyas kan players na nes one Qatar. Ebia foreign investor be and so far so good. A lot of Ghanaians are what troop bringing their letters of intent. Oche day, what pede way affordable house na. Oye ni jisam. Since I no so ye decentralized. O Sunday. Enka na bibia ye nkre.
Okay.
Necessary Ghana house his excellency asese magana hanim egbe.
I see.
Enwa nti be Cape Coast ehun de Cape Coast ayede. Nti odeda affordable house ni nyina ebi ko nti 275 constituencies ni nyina no. Ye bosha de kakankra. Onye ni nyina o. Oma ehun da manka de ni nyina o. No manka de deputy kade ye be ye de kakankra. No imenyi de sister chiefs. Me mdo ochihini oma acres of land. Perfect. Imdo asante hini acres of land Cape Coast. Yen MCE and na no nyina obia pedo no hye affordable house na monyi som de afi ntuma afi bokɔ ewie na nyame aye na adom ma the affordable house a policy na ipede ye rule no yetum ye.
Okay, so Deputy Minister Anna Tramfo Yinime works at housing in your baye mame your sister Ibibia Barbara AC Asha Anna Edena Chichenko or Tramfo Yina chain works at no castle and all about cocoa opportunity to say na say for you idiot say sanity will form dia.
His Excellency I should say abutani yenya padwaze wo yin kokoro man wonya butar apadwaze
obo so fire koko
so fi kwa na nwaji my sister na nwaji
na boko constituency
nyame Adom ye gusun kakranka.
Okay, Ghana Beyond Aid institution so be enam honum
E ba cho de be menye hu bi di
I so fit ye be na ka Ghana Beyond Aid
menye hu bi ti afa na me hu e bi afa na beba enti ye gusun che.
I see
Yo me pa cho me fa ofidie so echia Ghana fo nyina na mechia NDC parliamentary candidate aye be nomination amaya obia wa ko file bia no
so what the one osako
there be it.
Oh,
me wish you obia
all the hashtag maintain so fire.
That's right. It's me wish you nyina all the best na fensu mechia obom do me abra any in crying ahimfu nyina omukodi homowo.
Okay,
I started Saturday.
I can maybe say I shall say
Saturday.
Okay,
na we
if one nation mo dey na sin
MSS Gamashi.
Okay, all right.
Inti no ye wish you all the best. Say official pa finko asaba betu ye bio. Afen so mechi ami executive say wo me constituency o mo boy djuma mame. Aye nim says coming next week Saturday there.
Bibia ye boko.
Powder no be. Me da se me abema. Me so me koso asan chia. The former president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, said was starting Juma Pano, Intino. Yes, I'm piano manako.
John Dramani Mahama.
Jumano de was starting. The Juma Power Yanadi, Ubie, say that it is clear.
Bibia
clear. You don't need glasses to cry, so you who say,
my papa and your mama, baby.
Hey, schools, senior high schools here, ACC. Wako Ridge Hospital na nze.
Yeah, no.
Wako Ghana court, wako high court. Wako high court. So ho. Aha. Nyama yoko su krom ha de. Just sisi a obi ehu. The time of a year or the best spending war government. Any what we have started now no. And you be na be catch up.
Mama nyoma miensa akosu na na do abema e wani so.
Me menye hu hwi o minti menka me. Minya hu hwe.
No, what now ba onum ko we
free education ya my sister. Okay, free education.
Politics ya dey wo.
My sister ka free education. I say one case is super poor. Free education, or starting in free education and another free education. One case is super poor.
Yeah.
And honorable president, the president can say, if you to abani you omufi power. Mobesism. Why the best system?
Osisana momaka. Mukandi for can ye man paying. Or since Nsem on nama probo.
On cash. Nansa
also be review.
On cash. On cash. On cash. On cash be review. On cash be. There's a difference between review. Say de na ehun se nkola no apaki omo student chop box e wo veranda so nsu oto no mo sense ho dan o track ya ye komuni ade. That is what he say obe review, which means say obe improve it on it. That is what he's trying to say. Obe improve it on it.
Obi abakwa ka so obe twem nya no.
Twem de nya no kre. Why na ka so obe twem?
Komo edi kan ba na
1992 constitution this free education e wo hodeda. Intina former president Ohuye no or started say or putting up more senior high schools progressively or putting up more senior high schools into a bedroom baby no na ede ejina ade bia de wo pro no ye ne gidigidi a wontimi nya ne ye eduane se be eduane kra onua no wo pro no ya
obaji wani so
enye de taste bi eni ada nchine betwem ana moko etwem inti bi bia de wo to obo no ayede wakono kakran Mrs. Sankai or say affordable housing.
So
Kasa bebre na yeji
Lanado housing.
Ochimai. Omuba yesu so kai so mu ka se ni ma omuba be change ni ma ye no.
That is redevelopment. Say we have a strategic plan.
Omuba be change na ye no. Omuba sesa no. I see I put up new buildings na there. E ho kra ye nya fast e kra nto form. Ye friend is speakers kra nto form say ye two form. Yes start say Ochin Hinama Assassin. Ye kwakoye. Ebi da segleme ha yenwie ye. Ashanti region. Ebi mu wo ho yenwie. Inti ade nti nanka yenhwe se de ya kase ye beye no. Yen start ye. Na afi de ya yegu ho so ono ankasa kan se government bia ba o start project bia obi ba wo so beto aso. Segleme si hoyi. Yenyanhwe ehun kan ho asemo. Afede yese ochin hine so asama asase sisi e no na yede ye ni kwakohwe does it mean say ye boa ma na akoso ana say eja ase de wudua abrobe no wudua wa hana say yese efifia no ase
tu akosibe
enyini da debia obeko wechi inti da be na ebetu ye na akoye nim na de ya ye sisi hodeda no ye betimi akoye den akofinish na afi ye hu say wose ye den ye kofu froso de wo ho no yentime nto aso senior free senior high school ye yentime improving on it.
How do you believe they were free SHS no?
Free SHS. Oh na master se wa Ghana ha hu de koso
e believe they were
na tracking system obi bisa ne ba said abe na obeko school o se nyanya mfrɛ me da ebe frɛ me no inti se 6 months na ye mfrɛ na onyankoye me kai pass it am your school no na ye nya long vac for 3 months no won say long vac bi ba that time na 3 months long vac me say sometimes we go back to school no na won try classes
assistant
do you remember na won try classes na nkola ni bi krom nkai hwe inti enu po ye hu so na afi de ye ka se kotene fie ye be fro. I mean, come to think of it.
What's wrong when you say it's a continue fee before? The ultra self and that's what's so. And the continue fee. And that's the ultra self.
Next tracking and our
yes, next batch.
Next batch. It's a continue. It's no. You're young for a while, won't call it. You're young for a while, won't call it. It's parents no crap air boxing. Se wako tie school fees a woni se obako school ya makwan
ntimi mfa wawae
it is a jam kaso oba obe improve on it mo munjina ba bi nka no poto te se de jam person che se obe so obetwem because you are only focused on yento abama ye into all the power mutu abama me na me ba muntuma we mo ba mo be se no into muntuma me a so it's all about power. It's unyaji power ni wi na yeden nasa insem ne ye dwa ye num bebre talk is cheap me gina ha medodru ha drone ni cry say ye de ba ye po drone po me po minye hu bi o
so o my
bia ati bia me de minye hu bi me constituency ho bi nya mbaye oh me constituency ho bi nya me hu bi Bible said you who now do one dance. Me who ye? Send me who I made one dance. It's me who dear made one dance. Me who be.
Conscience will be me found.
Even grandma Sama Crammy who be more than my home conscience.
Emergency, my.
Ayo, say it here, emergency. I'm a Sama General Hospital. Caution, say emergency new one. I'm a Sama General Hospital. Corner in Sound General Hospital. Corner say emergency new one. Intermediate. Omo jomo no bebre o makasa bebre yes o bom pie bebre na afi de why den wood intro enti no se sia de aban ya ti swede ajinsem
aban na jinsem
ajinsem Ghana for trending den kasa bebre na be we 1 million one constituency me nye hu bi 1 million one constituency omo buy yes 1 million one constituency e de beba na e de aye project. Why na beti me MP be na beti me aka say ya friend say need dey na
e
about
1 million you don't catch you.
Oh, me dey maintain 1 million one district ya omo kika. Yes say oh and yes say omo dey yes say chisa o churo eyi di ko be ba omo ye campaign say nya sa na omo kan. Omo ye campaign say free senior high school ya. Ade ni nyina omo kan ya omo wi ano mada no omo ho no ya dane no. No then you see uchro the opesu this usikaya no atro the akomo obi wo baby na yakoya mo the atro the kwa me dia me de kwa me ntin ho hye nti na me ka se me de me ntin ho hye di me hu na me di ho dance me hu ya me di ho dance.
I see.
Oh my hen politics mom no mu ye hu pa mpanyufo se ahonzepa on kasa His Excellency nanu mutua kan o baby let your good works show kasa pinya no eka sabi na ide ma wankasa ni inye jizi wo ma eriye nimu o many mu o man na kai time ya ka free SHS wansam honestly NDC no won jinzi de butumi aye because onye policy be a order for mo na mom o mam pay His Excellency na samide when time nyimpa baka today me ya ni na we obi a wona ada so me pede me yede momfa mankasa momfa yam fato o man na ehwe mo so mamete wo gizigizigizigi nka bejeze motu my MP
Debbie
na mom na me wo jezi and we need leaders who have a vision leaders wo adaso o send them adaso no onu na se itu wana mar na inye jezi wo ma otum oda ezi menyimpa hu free search sabaze na yanka yesterday when we kwatwa picture bi won duase those days I'm more education ebosha no ya no kwa obi anti nduase. Why do we do this to ourselves? Some of them were deliberate. Na ya kaka ye. Why do we do that? Asipia ye wo many mubia ye hu there the whole world is watching. On politics inti kase bia o inda ye yim there about policy. His Excellency is really respected not just in Ghana, in the world and in Africa. On Sunday, I remember I traveled to Nigeria. I'm a free senior high quality education once. They all stood. I mean, me young man panini would you know how we win some Ghana. Oh my so a come in a watcher no here say being kanwa almost me wazo. I've been a teacher for about 18 years and I talk with experience. There it nyansa e wonyimzi nyankopon ama adom achezi bi na imum ona ma ho chirinti yempanyimfu pinyanka America senka bia wo gina bia kasa ona ma ho chirinti bia wontum waye. His Excellency is school free na mo hu mos ma yesesen ayen panyin oye Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe osan dem pen bebre oye ne say ye free yes ye ka bibi ye free o mani ma. Now sometimes if people feel that we compromise standards or go to Wesley Girls, the quality is still the same. Go to Efutu Senior High School, the quality is still the same. And I was a banker, so I'm telling you, the good people of this country will vote massively. On Sunday, we are prepared these children for the future.
And that's quite worrying.
Oh, but we have a calendar. We have a calendar when you
structured.
Yeah, we have a calendar around this time and this time they are going. We have the first track, double track. See, some can say both tracks are in school. It's structured. And intervention. Hey, Nyankopon moni mori them double track system or a blessing in disguise. I've made that statement. I will make it again. sometimes I get so passionate. Free senior high school, I remember in the past, people who have worked for institutions without appointment letters. I know. In the past, first, in the school, I know teacher. You're teaching him. Teacher, teaching you, I know the whole. Them struggles are your struggles, see, or starting during the NDC time. In Kofu, backlog, you're creating. Now you're creating them backlog, within a space of less than 3 years. We education, you have a church for 56,000. I mean, we need to be commended. Should double track system bay? You we yes for 18,000. Yes, a command constituents are why the papa. Yes, for teachers to the backlog and still you're creating we. That backlog was created by the previous government because first and foremost in Hubi, if teaching a training college, post if university straight. Tell me, I never struggled. I didn't even know how to struggle for a job, but who created it? I am if I use the young Kashamina or the how bay. We are creating you blame the previous government. Or Sunday a leader, let's have a face challenges. You have to take the bull by the horn. Not challenges, it's your challenges. We picked 56,000. Double track system, blessing in disguise again. Do you know what grade you have to get to go to Wesley Girls High School? I remember that those days, my child was also the cramp when you admission. Oh, my, you wouldn't dare. Abrabono, on your beer, no being that kind of foundation. Obama and Conma, when Obama Wenya Quenya, were them schools are different grade A schools, especially those in the public schools. You have facilities. You have manana yes public schools in Mawafa Natampe Ifra. Yes, we are giving you 30% quota. Them 30% quota no. Ubia our public school. Sane results no year 06, no year 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pa. When you're Wesley Girls or Holy Child or Achimota or any school we consider a grade A school, and they are all in school. It's all this double track system here. Honorable Sophia or can I say me? No, I want to hear me kakra. What's under your blessing in disguise?
I see.
My former can one answer day. We'll be in school. Akon. Naminado. Oh my, he be sa Honorable Sophia day. Ombo nzama ebasa pio MPPI onobo nti nka de okay dey na why nemum nchenka ebia more room for improvement nka owo mote na kade ihu no hwe kra. I'm amazing when you're kakra. You see, that is what we do to ourselves because of politics. NDC, MPP, something the policy is good, say that it's good, but there's more room for improvement. But
Honorable that's what she thinks is a echo.
Yes, yeah, on Kadam. What's a gun I dead? What's a gun I dead? Ghana beyond aid. Yes, it's a Ghana. Since I want a woman and in our Bagana high dead. Well, Robinson, of you when my few
Now, I think so. All can was say a friend is a free SHS.
Yeah,
is a blessing in disguise.
Yeah.
Double track is a blessing. Absolutely. Me patronim say a sofo penyin bi wo Ghana krom ha e friend Pastor Otabo. Education you very passionate to him. Just say what it is schools be Bratity universities ni ade. You started a free senior high school. What did he say? The comment of pass say anything that is free doesn't come with quality.
I'm not so far cover so for sad task.
No, but that was what he said.
Already you know when baby.
Obia Wagana Hanim, unless it's someone else won't say. Unless someone I want to because they woke up blessing in disguise. No, I said, what did Yamia Sam Nebe? Which is a make a choice. Just a soft work as a soft penny on Rankasati schools, I can see. And starting free senior high school. What he said, just say free, dear. Adding, say, Beya, ebia like ono ni JM adwen former president adwen ye baako senka progressively nanka ya heden ye dru ho wakasa bebre and osaka asembi o say those days no went to me anya certain grades I went to me in certain schools which means say ebo man kola ne heden esua there because if you want to go to a particular school you should make sure say what you need to certain grade the answer wait me heden wako into which means say the ono ankasa sika no na che say sia ne de ebia akeke mun pass through na monko honestly ene
sana otiase
sana metiase o de oka no sana me metiase chese obi am pass through na chese bia oh wunye ibia na chese free senior high school inti no ye pese obi are educated inti na ye de wo femu keke Debbie if you are talking about quality there it comes with work and perseverance. So if you don't persevere, na say what can say oh, and na say those days no, ube brands work Wesley girls, ube brands work Chimota, ube brands work Wesley girls. Inti obia who be na so say of Chimota, unim product oye. You understand what I'm saying? It is oh can so say there, ya any easy say obia inti min remwa. Na oh can and ye say na say. No, nobody is saying say senior high school, free senior high school na. That is what I want to emphasize. Now, Matia says, nobody is saying, and Obiasun can say, ye buy ye between. The secretary the president, ye can say, a be more than one other. Or no, die or should die. Or say, yes, should die. So, say the Okan, or say, president, or die, super baby, son on vision. Okay, or said, the president, no, or ye, or die, so no, on should die. On should die. Ni die osu ya obeka che say obema 1 million one constituency no 1 million one constituency na kosi.
The contest was that se madwene ne say ene se mo beba 2020 dia ni susu yemu no ayi die so
ni susu yemu aye ba no oh ene onu mo be
sa na mo madwene ye
ene be ni say senior be ni say the be statistics senior you comedies no ene be ni say comedies because we are coming ye ba pa ye bapa omuntina si yemo but ye bapa Ghana owura krom sisi obi abeka choso MPP failure.
Dr. Thomas Boabi, senior lecturer University of Ghana Business School. Doc, they be amibusa as politicians no mumune meko. What has changed and what will change, whether MPP or NDC?
Yeah, that's it. Na mechi out mafa kwenye so achi ya telefoni na mimi so what has changed? Nema bibri asesa. Nema bibri nso nsesa. And it will continue forever. And this MPP will bring say a breast anon kwa die.
Nyoma so besisa.
Nyoma besisa. Na question is sesa akọ say ni papem ana ne boni. Nema bibri asesa. Bibri ya papa ebi won so a ebetimi anya ho nsem kakra aka am say senior high school semi me de majuma no me de teacher nti ye need e chiri pa na without any bias because me bag girl a beneficiary oko afeno boko fana year or Archbishop Porter girls say kase enya said me na ba omunyina obi age atum na edada yo and so fu bi kura ko ka sa de bia free bia enya and de ntwaye so ka sa de ntwaye because me trans Scandinavia kakra our education yes ka na de ko school omo argument ne say nipa no anya hwe kura na so be platform so drew certain level now prana paper be da say information was on one of the major problems in our country education. Drivers in Timin kind road science.
Education I can was just could professorship and
basic. In fact, that is one good thing about in free senior high school, whether it's progressive or not, then another debate, you know. And they say, you're part of the basic one. And they say, as we speak now, because you're in your basic education, also we senior high school.
At
this point, no matter said the school no say war hands say war bon say them cry no. Meaning who roadside reduce speed to 20 obetonable. And it's very important. You know, you bet TV so microphone roadside already chire no. Winding road crowd will say and it's any man. On that basis an idea a good. Me ba no or kone ne final year. Me call school me na me volunteer. I volunteered personally because ho na me hu so mo luvers ni bi. Etutu abubu. Na me bisa house mistress no say ai o mo be but say it goes through
processes. I no understand it progressively.
Oh, but first, I go to Ghana University bubu. I'm not saying that. The only
we are interrupting you.
The only time I must spend this car was that time.
Oh, support to school.
Me besides, ask me to how much it will cost. I say 460, and I give them 500. Said the organization on 40. I've not paid a single bia about Bishop Porter girls bia UTV with me Africa. Said them can boa. And also in say policy no asemu ni ho. I don't know. So what them
no crap. Yeah.
And me initially I was worried about the quality of their food. But on home rules no college school, unti me ni di basa and ton he crowd ho ni ade. And I found out say in terms of quality it was so good.
Specifics a Archbishop ni kawasi.
Yes. But the assumption, made my experience.
Through Archbishop, you yes, assumed.
Say, there are so many challenges. You cry feeding. When you are money be. In free state, in free government, free metro. So when you are TB.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you might be brave or what a year. Now, so challenges. And this is I know. Say ye be ye double track you okofa professor for him for about be the benefit be bit me actually the challenges. The question is on my no say say e free dia. You do be first na see ntimi me da bia me ka say e bitimi ya mana bro so. With time you to cry their university level. You bitimi. You are more than capable.
Ghana.
Why not?
No, absolutely.
Who can go for you? Wasn't back home. Tax uncle food Jane, AVD was be back. And no one bit me. Mrs. It me block it. Yes, our host and uncle for the Wiania Manoa. Oh, you don't create me a Janasas and I say, we'll be better than we are today.
Ghana, okay.
Messy Ghana, taxes uncle phone to almost Mutria Keke, Cromuntian, so Mutria and me area ha ligon ho ne anase madina area ho say assembly no case omo be property rate
assembly no
so omo case omo be gia omo be mo mani abre say the electricity for no water for no ye no no ma property rate nko ampo a they can solve all the problems there. They don't opa o ha no bi aba o de be na bro no was actually number go so say frame
yeah
what can we do?
Yeah.
Na you better ni yakuye.
Oja ban be ono na abro no.
No actually personal say number we say oba friend no. No me den.
That's where the business
one friend na o ma biem.
Debbie.
Oh, in terms of course ni ade no that is perfect. Former President Mahama Kai is very good. Nana Adwaka is very good. Now the problem is omumi no no. E kon bia be fa so mi anya ade no. Obi si anya kakra. And obviously, during the time of NDC, when they introduced the community day school, I said it on air. So it was never going to help us on so many grounds.
Community day school?
Oh, yes, it wasn't. Maybe can say it failed from the very day Amodi Asobo from now. Because we focused on providing the infrastructure. And you see, then we are going to
yes, it we know.
Now, can you ever call mass in the core science? 200 community day schools. May Abraham for a ton of young in your baby. And we have one reason. The second reason, because one thing, former President Rollins here, it be seen there. I'm yet to see president to be a or first I can be. They started decentralization program now. Before say yes, started this assemblies here, 110 now you know what he did? He recruited young individuals. And specific offices na you be yansha de ni bi what is a planning unit, budget unit no. Recruiting for from go KNUST. We planning. Near start you. They graduated. No, some man for sign prepare woman practitioners. Until the very day I can say yes, starting no. Every single district or country has no planning officer. Until I make us say schools I see here no. What I say one school, you pass any staff for me. Ghana had here teacher for was saying, yes, any bio. Say it na graduates no, a many hunting no more as one more child. But the normal sense of because University of Ghana, the intention is not to go and teach. Go because Cape Coast. And to be a question or show when you know funny because Debbie. Also, I expect to. Until I make us and Kayesi 200 day schools no. Nanki we ya can for the box and Granada. Core maths, core science, English. And that's the first thing. The second reason, but the so I mean the way I handle educational programs and as a policy no and as a the second reason I could be a dream uko school o papa you o papa you o mami you o mami you and they say one day uko secondary school because boarding house and I'm it's an opportunity now for now show o house just now uchi kwan no kosro ba for very good now we say we be see your home me your friend Kobe me class sign friend no just okus kwan about fufu no edibi into the motivation say okay schools now school be o ha ba bi e wo no so okay say the entire community and villages na atwa school no ho ahia ni nyina no omo mbe wie school no omo nko say school no bi kura na omo nya enough students enti there are so many problems when it comes to the free senior high school fantastic akorabi abazoko boarding house ya be President Mahama so CCB say me say nanado started to provide infrastructure more boarding facilities dear President Mahama see no I see hona boarding facilities in Kahono. What stops us? Say you be see accommodation, you be see boarding facilities Kahono. Na school no aye school, na say the na ye see kan, na your resource ni ye lab, any tutors. Now fe school no etimi run it to set the normal because so long as you have free senior high school, uko body won't you have no. Obia ni we say obepese obekode. Even though yes, I'm good there, you're more moving and took her say their schools no or more aggregate near so high no. Only a dome coho. But you can't build a country like that. And the Bayan said the Edrobians and April and the committee and I doubt to say former president and that NDC and party be able to make say or baby you. No, because I had the papa. But there are challenges. There are so many challenges. Double track in this animal, there are challenges. I bet me discuss it. The say the major issue of the early schools right now, admission. Maybe an NHN admitted to that. And count to be
really
yes. And yeah, because of the free senior, Nemum just say, oh, quite Chimota, I've been just 7 months. I'll be quite a 30, I'll be 30, or better per second while tremble go. Oh, no, D78. In what crabby resource, my senior high school baby 7 days. So, and I idea Kakra, no, you bit or see it to me, ye, your friend who said in the Scandinavian American. Obin Van Eban Trat in the district in Final School baby. Shanna, we MP, ye minister. Baby out here and so Lanquantana. When the braces, until the old part. Yeah. The last time I make it was like one day, honorable Fui, MPs in the bar, you organize now as a country, you're mocha. Near form for country, constituency, dear, as a mother, Tanasi Shemra, commercial round, almost Shemran and very good. Nasa constituency, I cry her, Uncle Babia, Occasion, and maybe then benefited with me to a betia. Oh, and see, a idea, I was a shiny free. The first say free no man yet at the bonnet. Hey, Papa. But problems were.
Okay, Dr. Thomas Bobby, a senior lecturer, University of Ghana, a business school. But Okasema was Barbara, said Bibia and I'm not going no.
Bibia the nucleum, but baby craving and now or the school Sibian. Well, people how up a boarding. No, you'll be up a boarding.
Exactly.
And yen to me and your policy are able for so be a day. Uncle boarding. Do home pa.
Compulsory boarding.
Okay,
but what can I say?
Majority. Okay. Majority.
In the area as a sakakra, and can no be whole boarding house, and if ye sabi Zamazan, and see in can neighbor, you to me a boy, I will finance with ye. And then modernization and some assistance more from any no, sabi one boy, I will fall ebia and some a cranibian. So no, me feel that we should have boarding and then yes, and then few days school as well. Good, but if day school call one hot meal. Is this also good meal? As a count, we have a zip of pay.
Barbara is spokesperson for Bayana.
Oh, Nessa may all could be. Me, yes, I am, but I see good things.
Oh, maybe on this conversation.
School. Oh, no, first try one, maybe you'll show you Juma. Education, be made Juma. Miss Afuna Sabi won't show when you Juman. On them a feeding program. Yeah. You may feeding program, kept consider schools in Yama. School be feeding.
My doctor can't.
No one has challenges.
Challenges, no.
It's a banner, ye. And what them a mum no ya. Second, be told the deraja. Genie. Because more from now, one. So we back one cabin. But you should also understand that every policy comes with challenges.
Okay.
Then you pay answer to your base in Nayakon. And what your phone crumpo. Your phone crumpo from one power for your phone criminal. One should man do a while. It's no baby.
Man could share every policy has its own challenges. Now, okay. My substandard policies just to say that because each challenge be our a policy be on a challenge, you know, no share side energy.
Oh, no. When there's a challenge, I will acknowledge it.
Yeah.
When there is a challenge, I will acknowledge it.
I want to come in.
Yeah.
I said, "Dog kakasa baby."
Yeah.
Wakasapa. But there are few things to say Barbara Kano. One, I think Barbara has addressed that one already. The other one, also Wobako Archbishop.
Yeah.
Maybe Kola Secondary School. Right. The Kali schools, way of going about things. I'm a Catholic myself. It's totally different from when you go to the other schools. And initially, it was being managed by the Catholics. Into those days, when you're Catholic, you will not be admitted. And sana later on Yama Beyede, SSI. When you talk about Archbishop Potters, you talk about Ola girls, you talk about St. Roses. Different. Then when you go to other ones. Now, talking about the community base, like he said, JMWCC Dynasty. Why don't you think, say you started basic day school, we can add the boarding facility to it gradually to it. Now you talk about progressively. Now you talk about taxes. It is an upbringing something. When you are speaking about Scandinavia, their upbringing and everything, he knows that there's everything. You have to pay for it. Yeah. That is why I'm saying that they're free. So it means that tax now that is where they will use the money to support,
to make it free.
It's
actually not free.
So it's actually not free. Barbara, if we are all paying our taxes very well, we'll pay our utility bills, we'll pay our property rates, any toll booth, we'll get good road, we'll have everything in place. So in actual fact, if our upbringing, ye try and say, the year ya crying say, ABA, my family say, AMA for ade ya motiti, or
ticket,
to ticket ya motiti. Obekono. Na obianka sa printi ono ane de e de afra ukoto buta obi wo hwa ye ticket ticket ne mawa. A lot of people don't even check it to see say am pass e bi wo hwa paper bi keke na de ma oji anu action, then it's going into somebody's pocket. What you say? So if our upbringing, we get to a stage ne nyina ye hu say if we pay our taxes diligently, it will help us get some of this education and everything, and it will be very perfect. Yanko kasebia obi brain obi anye na ejume ye obi anye say, and I think our salaries too will be well paid. I be my teacher for so near then omo eni agi ejuma omo ye. Okay,
so Barbara, mama share with you again what buying doc
can be about one major challenge that in I overlook about the free senior high school. So say as we speak now, the numbers Nkorana omo a passable investis a free senior for nyamayo, but numbers
a cost.
Me know what I say, so ba wouldn't be a plus of a invest of Ghana, no be a law. In here be on a slip or so. 6, I'll get 6. So, person by business administration and Miss School, where you bema and 7. By your affirmative action to your ban of 8 year.
Oh, that's nice.
Your father 7, which is A and B2.
But that's what I'm saying.
Agrania A no B3.
But Doc said when you help you.
Na enya health no metre o ma de omba level 100 wo the city campus ka ho a o ma ya around 2000 one individual ye recruit bi nka ho ni pa ba ko de enya health no kura ye cut no say me no. That is the numbers we are getting, and the free for no bar the question is omo ko he. As we speak now, this is the time I was here planning.
Maybe a free for Nico.
Now I expand. Maybe be an ample for I can see the me who is here. So I saw Sabo as I sent it down. Investment of Ghana as I sent it down. They grab a CBS go and down. Say, I can say, technology about to creating the video, DNA, signing my name, and National Accreditation Board on also our limits.
Intimate contract.
No check on a DNSA mathematical course. Class back on, they shouldn't be more than 150. Say qualitative written near their class and all, they should be around 200. And you find 2,000, I say, Nipa are going to among 10 groups. A dying hole. Mukore say I can say, I know better. So, and I one major limitation. Ya dwene nko and yet just investor of Ghana and I say we will say private investors. How many people can afford? How many free every high? How much years so a regular student be 1,400 1 year? Or branch of private investors say accredited in poor. Obi to be 2-3 times. How many people can afford it? Almost any accommodation and facilities. And you know, this is a time where 3 things pay be a year and recruit. There are so many people with PhDs. Oh, but pay you money and foul. This is going to be to your car. Nanka ye expand accommodation, baby on bound better, and maybe a bit natural my dear, none near Macacra Cosra. And can shouldn't be a problem. But yet, now, man, no samba. And Sana, and a day. And Miniamano. Mona moka bem so be adwene ko polytechnic ni nyina aka ho the training colleges ni nyina aka ho whether nursing or teacher. We need to, as a matter of agency, expand the infrastructure.
So you agree with me with the
gradual
progressively, he comes to end up there.
On your progressive
the Americans say whether progressive
whatever it is, we should all think about the
very good.
Spokesperson or information. Spokesperson or information.
Okay.
Mukwa get fan. In fact, I'm happy you've raised it.
Yes.
But into Trero code, Biba now de Bapado Baka.
They be when you have to know when the good people of Ghana and you be addressing the infrastructure. So we are addressing the infrastructure. Are we not paying you?
Deficit at the right time.
No, my dear. When you say that, I disagree with you. Because someone found out, not somebody banner disaster. Then we have to go back again.
They want to bring that out.
To go back again, so they should bring it out so that we all contribute. Because
almost so far. Okay, honorable Sophia. Honorable Sophia.
PDS, PDS, almost say we need to know.
No, I am not the one to communicate the policies of the Ministry of Education. So at the right time, I didn't say Kukuoma. I said at the right time they will communicate to the good people of Ghana because we have the PRO.
Which one is the right time?
But we know we are addressing the infrastructure. Do you know the number of buildings? Building. Which is right time. Senior high school.
Yes, we are prepared.
But what will you say?
Dear Owo Adusua Ejina BNC, Yeni Bre, Wayafa. Enti dear Mpa na Bine ye na Ankudru Amanasa Ankoyese, Kwasikono da Quentia Asabe Tonyumache, or no Nijim, or Chum for Nibia train. Ni trimu papa ni tusie papa o se abana montu tuina o se an eye e ba how na how kese ayi ni tibako pa na se dear na mo ye in terms of infrastructure no mo be exit SHS free for no e fa na mo de omoko already nipa bako o chema 2000 a class of 10 indeed what are we doing?
Am I in Pochom Dase? No, doc, Naminshire also, they're actually agent. But on an America, they mean that into train into woman because I know that we are addressing the infrastructural deficits. I owe many. On an America, they need them to pay, get fun. But at the right time, the PRO for the Ministry of Education will communicate what they are doing in regards to, because of course, there on
many honorable Sophia Bayagrini. Because the doctor can me shishime.
Mama we so.
Because I will be painting and maybe that's a question we. I will be not necessarily during your times, but Miss Samu Munina Boom, MPP NDC. Why I didn't know Bibia the Mopasa Motrayana a bomb should be enough in Coma be doing TV. I dear be a avoidable. Meaning said the politician takes delight. Say a torsion up and down, gega, and because clearly, and yes, munim. The doctor can and yes say munimu. But the issue of is in the pipeline, plans are far advanced, is on the drawing board, we are almost there. So no more when you never come baby the dog can or Yasabata bem. That dog that's where I have a challenge.
I appreciate your concern. American menu wadwe na mamma kan ye dey sabi nka nan nka mo education a ncho moto maka de this is this but since I mean you want I don't but I know that plans are far advanced are warrior to tree to make sure that yen ma from na worry ba friend and the various investors and when you're stranded so at the right time the PRO for the your friend the Ministry of Education will communicate it very well also that I mean you Mamrika Kabia Makama figures bimpo, no figures no. Oh, please don't worry. I mean, what? Because before one dog was but they actually want the yeah, your policy, Mamma education, kind of education. No, they are doing what the dad or Professor Young can be any urgency. I know there are, but I can't communicate it.
All right,
because the PRO or the minister,
Germany,
no problem at all.
We are spending money.
AC Asha, you are going to walk us through more time sooner. You're free to be the saga, PDS ECG saga. Abeto Ghana for so. In Chemona Bibri, and nay cried a dom kuma de crata by Nra. Say, Gidia one what buying any ma by mu a shot. Intino one best say, Americans see a name for more memu, so Munyan Shemu, I was sassem way emu. What buying so my I shall buy and say, am I 30 days busumi? Say, your man is abre no fancy and na de echo ne de eba ne de abedu anope ayekase de na say CBM what's happening PDS says what's happening was it avoidable in the first place
am I in medase on the PDS and some ya kan na ncha me dey nka o man panyina bekasi nche bi ne du etwa ma oye menyi gen dey ma yer kan nyinara no at least don't say this time no ye hu biom nchawa when you tua me ya fom wo mani
so they go off the
na ma the word doom so na mpomenta da the word doom so na ma menti bi da oh yeah during the previous government na meti the term the terminology so then the term and doom so yeah yin oh was mean was bread or many ejuma ya osese headring one awukita one sign ejuma ose it's na yam pai bonye day his excellency the president na ban na pai bonye day sanyame ya na dom na so what wa ba me na we have to deal with the energy crisis in this country but nyame na dom yokodo na PDS nsemi in fact obey na chi wa be ye bibia how yenyinara o Sunday say ECG it is worth close to about 3 million na agreement is no chada yanhwe ne ya mfoso is about 80% of mfoso is going out and as an agreement no so why no if you show me trade no munda ho ye ma yantase nese a leader nese there's an agreement nese agreement no why they clouded and why they infun me ya what do you have to do it's no men penina say or suspend na ya hwene ya kaye nhwehwem wo wa suma delegation da won kwakata na won kaye nhwehwem intino won maye no munsu yamfontwen ope na nyame buo nhwehwem ye wia mo biara no ye botu gwa na minyim de nda yan no brothers and sisters are on the other side minority wo basan waka won hu biom na no chade wonye jezi wo nhwehwe no ma nhwehwe ya abaniri ya na bramos ma waka won hu ada work petition a US ambassador ma hin say nya yo many mo said the military agreement bi no and there time previous government start NDC time no anya bay manka ya ko so ma no sunu de ma work da worry yi your friend then each nanzama hazi not sure that does it mean they have a lot of confidence in the Americans or what I want no ye minyaka osande no in the depending on the situation no and that when you other countries when you want by adwen so when it comes to another situation no so when you want ya adwen so ma azan marampo no the motive please on money his excellency say obi biara o ye na sazi day obo protect the public purse say ye bibia ye hunde nzaman kwaye azano enwa azibo ho ananyu no onde ho me ehu ye ya obegino ho abani begino ho na mo wom hwe biara odo oye biara no waye na ye hwe agreement no ye hu ye agreement no ye ntaze na ye hwe ma isi so ehwa ye hwe ye njapaze anyen into said that if there is an agreement although your agreement sabi the good people of Ghana, young people of Ghana, Ghana you prepare Ghana beyond aid adachi bi yam from and ube be gina yen na name no or the year shaban to train no or the hoye into no mande a petition a work petition in US unfortunately was baba aba unfortunately was baba
Adom kuma na montu no
aba how is it going to help? I'm the honorable Sophia. How is it really going to help? Because investigations record into no in Kanami me day be saboteur. 9 months investigations why we na say anyone ni abana ya adwena. E no chada account. But while the investigations is going on no. Account who be
some portions of their release may make besides the minority, like most Ghanaians, have grown skeptical about so-called investigations by the Akufo-Addo administration, since a countless number of these investigations only end up clearing appointees. The reports are never published, and the real culprits are never identified and punished. So
please, can you give an example? Because you can't hear such a statement. Give an example. I think that's
the fear one will say.
This is meant to a moon biara or my bottom
vigilantism what has happened to
this is a bibia
what has happened? No, what happened?
It's not about we are BBS almost how can see can be horrible and then besides the minority, like most Ghanaians, have grown skeptical about so-called investigations by the Akufo-Addo administration, since a countless number of these investigations only end up clearing appointees. The reports are never published, and the real culprits are never identified and punished. Is that the case?
Sir, make such a statement. You should give instances, because men bibia and one statement I'm trying to into we're in whom at a patchery. Then what is the work of the special prosecutor?
Oh
no. Why not?
Or start
no prosecute
our committee to investigate the Ayawaso Wagon issue incident. And then the vigilantism. Reporting what has happened to the people. What has happened? It is one. What's I should mention one? This is one of it.
Which people?
Didn't you know what happened at Ayawaso?
No, Mr. Which people are you talking about?
The cars that were used, we saw how they call it, land guards being put in police uniform, using police cars and all that. I say you didn't know about this.
Doctor, now you see why I have challenged with our politicians.
They should have confidence.
So for a honorable, what happened to Kramaya Mokofani Free US Babashi Kumasi Central Market? What happened to that Central Market report? What happened? Not to
Dog.
make you feel. Which is I won't say a question and crime, especially and crime back.
Two wrongs don't make it right.
No, hold on. That's
two wrongs don't make it right. So if we have done it, doesn't mean
no.
Two wrongs don't make it right.
To say that,
two wrongs don't make it right.
That's not what I'm arriving at. I'm saying
two wrongs don't make it right. If we are talking about this one and you are trying to bring in say yes, you are fan crime baby by what happened to the report?
And common fapim ne say once say ehun bi penti o ana ni amatimemfo ne ye omamfo ne yegidi a ye wo won na ye amanyosem enya de bone but it should be over time modern na di a kire ye no e ma ye ni mu di nkomo bia say ye per results no at once ye ka say ye kwa ba
it's na ye per results we at once it's na ye canon
which results
it's na ye ka say ye per results na at once
when you get any results
we are not in government
we get results
so we want the PDS we want the results now
it's na unja ba india
how are you going to get results? We are suspicious, and that is what happens.
But
what do you mean by suspicious?
Yes, you're suspicious.
What do you mean by suspicious? Because what the I was going no more. Hospital. What happened to them? Did we see them?
On many.
Did we see them? Did we see them? Bra woman na for police vehicles yakata number. So please let's be sincere.
Nah, your propaganda.
We also with propaganda.
Propaganda.
What do you mean by propaganda?
Please.
What do you mean? You are joking with people's life.
Joking with people's life. Insecurity at this time.
What are you talking about?
This government is a peaceful government.
Which peaceful?
And everybody insecurity.
What are you talking about?
Or your agenda.
Okay.
Just to make it
we are talking about
make it as few. We are in a safe country.
Please,
and all the terrorists that are coming to
don't go to Kumasi.
They want to come to Ghana. You want to create an impression that Ghana is not safe.
PDS. Let's not divert that attention to something else.
We want to create an impression that Ghana is not safe. Ghana is safe.
We say politics. Politics.
Ghana is a peaceful place. We shouldn't create that impression to the outside world. Ghana is a peaceful and a
well, 38 minutes after 9. I do baby at Montias, say, ye be a kakra, na yasaba ifi, sanity, do baby na akobasa. And doc, my memory also, ye mammy so fire, Nimian for the mammy Koyan, Fatum Bia, from Shomi, and idea ye papa. On the service, on by from Shua, one way chili, do wa bemu na akofani PDS aba. Ayi na ibobo krata o manso atro so edi adanse se gidia wono wo aban anamontu abotu o PDS enye ni so wonu suru akira sem sa PDS nsensemi de bia da me busa se na eya ade anka eni ho kwan se esi na esimpo a as oman ne yen man mufo no kwan ade afa so no ne papam ni ebenya mo epa
yo me da se PDS Assembly. Initial said in United good. The very people are motivated Netiasia. And the idea, and yet, and very difficult for us to comment. See, between I can't be brief home because I didn't be kind. The Netiasia, I have information about it. It's still a hunter, a CA. And this and this phone kwa se Ghana ni bia na there are so many groups are also issues with PDS as a home. So be review here Odika and I say Udibem because idea nipa enhunu no e de suspicion eneba obehekra na ohwemu kra nka bibia boni bia animu nanso nipa ni access to information bebre problem back one. I was saying that I say, and say, I'm saying, many are very kind. Say, Ubi, Bube, Ubi, Kuma, Ubi, I say 2 wrongs, no. Ubi, I need to be call it, and the problem I na signing my own say, now, I say, any de be a bear, because an MPP knew her. Na NDC ba
they say
na NDC ko kan MPP for no opposition be ka say wo de ya anye ni ya wo na moti akonya na so esa so ai mo Ghana NDC MPP nyina Ghana fo ade a ye ni de nkofo kan ya hye mu nyina ne say ye nkonya problem e wo ye anyina nkania no eho na me in the first place say me kan ni information bibre but delegation o mo ko kata no because o mo go ere
we hwehwemu
to understand the agreement.
Na agreement no document no mo study and say the geographical environment.
Onko no kredi e wom se nipa na e wono sensa nkrata no. Say yampa say
how would they verify?
Oh, but
Ghana enyumeku ahodo no yomakom hono mejidi.
Na okona
say akutu ho, Jo Australia ho, Car Bank ho, Downwell ho hono.
Very good.
Sa for IFC for so show minority for so kromon krata. Nipa ankura bi so kromon krata no ada coalition bi so de nyewa bi abegu abonti.
Very good.
And tini nyina na
the group na ekọ no ekọ ka ebi mo ho no my team no my say hwemu na no.
In fact group ni kure mu achiche anope wutie yewura kodwo pon kroma ye wo mo mafa baabi ane ye wo mafa baabi ane ye odom kuma no so wo so afa baabi enti ye be hage be babisi
and no ni problem back when what the entire saga no ho And think, what if say, a buying sa a crudging, you rock a job on chroma kind, say, a bibu cry and your logical say, because a canipano, or ye be yet, no chrono, Sandia Barbon. Nanka you see a delegation and pa. Gun high test, you may have the MPP. Most of the time, who say, almost a few issues. Do not idea, almost decided by consensus. Multimate leadership, no come up in boom. What is an career pet delegation and pay? A team, send ye NDC for me in the womb. Expected me, NDC for womb. Concern groups will grab back. I know the any politics in here. Or major party, Ira and Anado, or say, or boy and 3 billion. And this UMPP,
the Ghana for.
And this should be the delegation. Monko as a group. Namonfa report, no. Emra. Kadia ya competition way and you nini a Judini idea and came back. So, and they say, no. When you caught now by the other, but the big cry, no, no, crudo, was it there be? Mono Mako, Mako show on my body. There's all connects and quiet, no crudo, and so. And a bassa and more mine.
But, Doc, the money home to us of this point, probably personally to me, is that Nipekua Ekoyan Shimono, a Jumakuni, in Mekua, you my frame, but Nipekua Ekoya Shimono. As we speak, we don't know.
And I make and you know, I didn't know a secret. And to be able to make a baby for home. But when I got to be crown or more, to say, dear Baba, was it a Mary?
Yeah,
a
Mary, yeah,
a very dearly.
Ah, Oko, Remoa. Now, no, Oko investigator, only the hotel. And I said, only the host, what did you can we host to? Then I'm beside, I said, oh, Moko, a Cobasa now, Cocra now, the Adrian Pada compare, and Papa Bebois or mine.
Still.
Yeah, and you been here saying you may be a while. Yeah, bang, at least. Said the cabin, mammy cabin, a quality mono, a bind by 10 no transparency, a consenting graduate as when a new law.
Massa Quenano,
right to information. Mentino, I was see beam. That's a baby coachma. You know, dear bay. Baby, I'm quite a so cry. In fact, I did idea cry, all the other political parties said in which are almost so bad. Oh my God, say, when I can yes, you know. And the idea, in fact,
okay. You could try one back. Yeah, but me was almost of a cocoa body team because I semi now, okay. I semi okay. You could try one by
blue bed no to call ream. Ah, a blue fe fenumu na okwe triton. Anne blue.
Emra yeseno wo mo freshemu enyem reketwa sesei ubetumi de mre ahye won edidie mu nso hwehwe Cerelac fofra Iron Plus wo mo a eboa ma mo franyini ntem Nestle Cerelac big nutrition for small tummies
Enkratwe FDA fo agiatum
Hey uma amadi ago abonte
Meniaba awasa wo hyempa bo atente
Seme ye enaidia wa wonim se de tie enkrofo po attend biara nanso mi gina ma ho den so ma mabusua de ye
Eduani
enye bibiara no ne me be ya adwene nanso eba na aduane a me de Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix ayedia esa ni nuane nro awode ne da ayenti mabusua nyina ne me ya adwene Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix. Strength comes from within. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
It's the NLA Super 6 Lottery game. NLA has introduced another game. Stake your lot and win some good cash. Where my game lovers are. Muntie, wait here. It's very simple. With a minimum entry cost of 1 Ghana cedi, you can either play the standard, combination, or banker bet. Yes, you heard. With as little as 1 Ghana cedi pool, walk to any NLA Super 6 game vendor and stake your lot by simply selecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 non-duplicated numbers from 1 to 55. You see, more winning possibilities right there. Draws take place every morning from Mondays to Saturdays, except Sundays and public holidays. No capping cra, and the minimum jackpot is 100,000 Ghana cedis. This one, dear, no plenty talk. You never know. Get your ticket and stake Steak. NLA Super 6. Tribune Dikeke. NLA. Development through games. Terms and conditions apply.
The Joy News Habitat Fair is here again, building on the continuing success from last year's Habitat Fair in promoting affordable housing for all. This year's edition will take a different outlook under the theme Rethinking Building Technology in Ghana to give true meaning to affordable housing. The 2019 Joy News Habitat Fair, in collaboration with Elegant Homes and SuperSem, will create a one-stop avenue which will bring together all property buyers, insurance, finance, construction, security, energy, and real estate companies. Join us at the West Hills Mall from Saturday 17th to Sunday 18th August 2019 from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. To sponsor or exhibit your products and services during the fair, please contact 054-431-0864 or 054-690-8179. The 2019 Joy News Habitat Fair is brought to you by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value, and SuperSem Ghana. Build your dream. Sponsors: DBS Roofing, Roofing Papa Fie, Domod Roof, distinct and dependable. Interplast, producers of high-quality pipes and profiles. And Prato, timeless architectural fittings. Join News Habitat Fair 2019. Rethinking building technology in Ghana to give true meaning to affordable housing.
Akwantu eda ye nim ye ni gie nko a nanso obia wone kwan a wo befa so enti sa wo fa wo kwan a na wo hwehwe ne a wo gi ne die na wo ne nante oyonko a wo de ose ye oyo a wo beta wachi aboa wo ne obeyi nyinaa mu emfa ho ni nipa a wo ye ne bia waduru abrabo akwantu mu wo ne kwan a wo nam so nyinaa ho hia pa Consolidated Bank Ghana eni nkum sikasem ho bambo ho te se wo a yemudie ye ba akopɛ enu nti na ye oyonko a wo hia wo sikasem mu na ya ta wachi pintin Sisi a ye bank kesie pa wo Ghana ha na ye krado se ye no be hia bomu CBG ye taiwachi.
Welcome to a special breed of ordinary people whose sacrifices brighten lives across Ghana. The MTN Heroes of Change, whose selfless sacrifices bring smiles and inspire generations in their communities. Join us at the Accra International Conference Center as we celebrate the MTN Heroes of Change, where the ultimate winner takes home 100,000 cedis to support their effort in brightening lives. The MTN Heroes of Change Season 5 Grand Finale. Date 16th August 2019 at 6 p.m. Dress code: traditional performing artists Rex Omar, Tego Sisters, Ankalato, Kwampa Band, and Kwame Eugene. This event is strictly by invitation. MTN Heroes of Change. Be the change you wish to see. We day for you.
Abusia unyame asomdwe enkao. Ifiada ebe nenyumre non-kono pepe pedi etresia ewo My Father's House, Resurrection Power and Living Bread Ministries International. Seni radisi ni mumwabwa mahotefo ano emfa emame. Erade pese bino miyonu yeshia never again all night. Na bra wunyamesi ye mwabwa ye huanu yeno begidi pa wunyame betwaso ehira wunyame betwaso aye oyi wunyame betwaso no aye woni wabusua ne wadwuma ene wabrabo ne yi ifiada e wo ye ne matomensa afro bra na me no bi ye mom na ye nso mfre nyame never again all night wunyame be ye ade foforo e wo ye na brabo
waman hene pamena sande waman hene pamena sande waman hene pamena sande watena se wogari I want it.
Ya Brianna sa aketi mpacho mo birthday dedication back for my dear Brem na fi mintimi ehun se makomenim kama mama ka se mpemfo da so studio han mo mo nse me twa to kra de brain no ye nua ba ye mama ye sister ye Barbara AC Asha ewo hanu se deputy minister works and housing ye mama Sophia akọ consumer shebedwani hashtag ni ye maintain Sophia akoko ewo hanu se ono so akan na me se de waka ma me ho adwuma ma say doctor for ya de pa ne se ontiapo na ontiapo ene no ehun sem no kra ya de mu say why ya de pa doctor so be boy yi pa se ka se fa yi nkasma Dr. Thomas Boabin, senior lecturer, University of Ghana Business School, and also Abeboy Ye. We should Michael Esiedu Adenta Udi Wadene, if Mrs. Peggy Techi and Odibre. Doc, you fight 2 minutes being wrap up now for your mama Quenya and Muslim Koto Mumasu.
Medas, I will say, the be American, I said the American Akano. O man, no, near and this MPP, you be a person man, baby. And to be here, said, the Beckham be an I beg you be an Edisa, but I know, and I tarry a tree. I'm saying, no pay a can near my cacra. PDS again, the man could be. Earlier on, no, I'm saying more can be about the housing project.
Yeah.
I'm a
Minister
Honorable Echo to be from the Constitution. It's a Abambiaba, the Abandada near Nunca, and Twaso. I'm some Kramai Bibisa. You heard me more. You were thousands of projects. Yes, I am Twaso.
Exactly.
The boy crying this in the start, another in this be one Twaso. The boy having people in the start here, another people by on your largest of the Twaso. And the best honorable say, I dine me new sika, and you do real. Ye, say President Mahama Nestati you, say President Kufo Nestati you, say Mosimu, more young Jimu answer. You can't wait my regime. Once I'm about to ask about the answer me and your baby. Ada said the bear a beboy. Now, you may dig Saka or Casabia plans are underway. Say infrastructure we say fantastic. But said the American, they were less than a year. Don't cry, be rescue. You know, buying crab about one thing. That's a because I'm from Bedi no more genome, we see Danya. A year no more. Apart from that, I see a conscious effort near recruitment. Ni pay better than Corona dear. Ye here, and I mean come my public universities in Unqua. All the other tertiary institutions in Yina here. See it me planning. Emma a manner or mobile.
Okay.
Consciously, not only involve administrators. One major problem was free senior high school, no, a one no. People have course could be now be sir, headmistress on that. I didn't so bad. They say curriculum. Someone must have a curriculum, which is fantastic. Okay, document now. I'm crying never was an adult. Yeah, but this one, but your chance are be implemented. Huh? Okay, you care. How much the policy be policy no more de ba. Na, how much be a how much be 2 years. And some must start here. Okay. And you know, they are fantastic ideas. But I'm from Rami and in home come now the amount for TSC and education. It's much you implement a very successful.
Dr. Thomas Boabin, senior lecturer, University of Ghana Business School, Yadasi PE. Honorable Kyoko, hashtag maintain Sophia Kyoko.
Thank you. That's baby. I say, Doctor. Mini ababa bread.
Enye kukuo masem.
Politics. You can't. Ya na seri. Barbara ntiase. Ono so ka mesume ntiase. But ye nyina ye ntie what doctor is saying. And like I said, you know, baby Anna, I said, yeah, we are working on it. We are working on it. More fun problem. Ni nyina ye hu said the city.
Which one? Working on
said yes, a city. Na ye nyina ye deliberating on it. Doctor Kika baby, because the curriculum me here they buy.
It's all over.
What is it? Aba, ye be shani say pie. We don't get the stakeholders involved.
We don't know how, please.
It's same brain because sometimes when you are sitting in your comfort zone, you too phobia person bed. Because you're in your comfort zone, so you want to hear what you want to hear. What is not comfortable to you, you don't want to hear it at all. Into yesremo. Yeka. O man na idea. Esema and opposition, we are there to be a check on you. Into ye can't so much ema. Eya muntie. I'm married, say ya, I'm married, say ya, no, Mudi, and a teacher Gumusu. PDS, I teach Gumusu. Free senior high school, I say young con progressively. Wait,
Barbara,
yes,
so interesting.
Deputy Minister Pacho, wrap up.
Mama, him, Pacho Medasi. Politics, oh, you Japan. Issue about the curriculum, the Yakamasa na and na subject nor wa doso kakra. This is the focus is on reading, writing, creativity, and arithmetic, the 4 R's. Nti insasa kakra abum na say insasa roba curriculum or their teachers no so when you fa into TB into the whole week from I think Monday to Friday, there's that training is going on. In your constituency, I'm sure it's going on. Na wama yen teachers no wenya and to take a crack often curriculum sisa wabam. America say about 152,000 teachers across 996 cluster centers. Orokodo. Tiababa abana about the young there. Yen education system sometimes I know why something like too bookish. On until they introduce the technical and vocational education training. So yes abakam at the senior high level. Na yerish Adom naron kran so there. So many botumpuna kujina technical and vocational education and training. His Excellency say the free senior high school has come to stay.
Barbara,
it has come to stay. Woman now some penny for one some when you partner one ye. My yes spectators yen snake and criticize. I believe it there when you have the will. There's going to be a way.
Thank you.
Once this party has a will, this government has a will.
Thank you.
The way is a kukwabia ni baby.
My mom is turning 70 tomorrow. I want to hear her name. She's Felicia Kaitego. Asalam down. Oh, I see. Asalam. I thank God for adding another year to this special woman. A mother like no other. May God bless her with long, healthy life. From your great-grandchildren, Felicia Kaitego. Well, Tigo Medase. Aywa 05 Medase. The big man himself, Kojo Fojo Listowell Medase. Dr. Thomas Wabe Medase. Barbara Isi, Honorable Medase. Sophia Koko, hashtag no show Medase. Akiti Boge Medase. Yo, may the man Hene Kopna Santi. Asan, what did you hear? Then come in Kope Ben Kubindi. Now made the church now is another great day. Bishop Yauswansa, Yame Eshirao, Uncle Sunyo Kessie.